Now, let's talk about the distance between 2 points. Also, I will be drawing a straight line. This straight line has the coordinates at the endpoints to be A, which has the coordinate x1 with y1, and the other point is B, which has the coordinate x2 with y2. Now, to find the distance between these 2 points, or the distance AB, this is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1, all of it squared, plus y2 minus y1, all of it squared. Let's have an example now. We have to find the length of the straight line joining the point A, which has the coordinate also 2 and 4, and the point B, which has the coordinate -6 with -9. Again, this is x1 with y1, and this is x2 with y2. To find the distance AB, I need to apply in the formula. So the distance AB is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared, so -6 minus 2, all of it squared, plus -9, which is y2, minus y1, which is 4, all of it squared. To find out this value, I can simply plug in these values into my GDC. Let's start our GDC. We go to run matrix. We have the square root. We go to shift square root, and inside the square root I want to add -6 minus 2, all of it squared, plus the -9 minus 4, all of it squared. And then I press execute to find out my value. It's square root of 233. I press S to D to find it as a decimal. So my answer would be 15.3 units rounded to 3 significant figures. So this is 15.3 units. The units always depend on the context of the question. If it's in meters, in centimeters, it always depends on what's given in the question.